हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू गायत्री स्टेनो कोचिंग जोन। हमारे चैनल पर आपको मिलेंगी हिंदी और इंग्लिश की डिफरेंट स्पीड की डिक्टेशंस। अगर आपको हमारा चैनल अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। सो गाइस, आइए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी डिक्टेशन, जिसकी स्पीड होगी 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट।
Start. May I now turn to some of the specific issues that have been raised in the course of the debate? Question mark. A major priority of this country's foreign policy, as indeed the foreign policy of all the countries, is its relationship with its neighboring countries. Stop. We are very keen and have always been very keen for having best relations with our neighbors. Stop. We have many common aspects. Stop. We are one people in many aspects because we have cultural ties and we have economic linkages. Stop. And where we do not have economic linkages, we have good reasons to have economic linkages. Stop. In many respects, therefore, the fraternal spirit that we advocate for the international community as a whole, that fraternal spirit must prevail even more vehemently in our own neighborhood, in this region, in this subcontinent, and therefore the relations with our neighbors and the strengthening of these relations are of priority in our foreign policy objectives. Stop. Para. We look at the relationship with our neighbors from two planes. Stop. One is the multilateral plane, and that is basically through the regional arrangements of the SARC, and the other is, of course, the bilateral plane. Stop. As far as SARC is concerned, stop. I would like to submit here that the recent SARC Samiti held in Colombo last December, we hope will impart economic content to growing cooperation amongst the South Asian countries within the SARC framework. Stop. Elevation of poverty has been accorded the highest priority by the summit leaders who agreed in Colombo to set up an independent South Asian Commission to study and report to the next SARC summit its recommendations on poverty elevation in South Asia. Stop. With these developments, it is expected that SARC will be more responsive to the needs and aspirations of the people of South Asia. Stop. Para. As far as bilateral relations are concerned, over the last 1 year or so, there has been, by and large, generally speaking, a substantial upswing in these relations. Stop. I could mention, for instance, Indo-Nepal relations. Stop. In the course of last 1 year, and indeed more than 1 year, Indo-Nepal relations have not merely been normalized but in the recent past have been strengthened and intensified. Stop. During the Nepalese Prime Minister's visit to India in December 2011, substantial progress was made in identifying concrete areas and mechanisms for mutually beneficial bilateral cooperation between India and Nepal. Stop.